I have a PHP project here, and if I try to install packages using this command, composer install, I get this error that says composer is not installed as an internal or external command. So let's see how we can fix this and install libraries or dependencies. So first thing is we need to install composer itself. So to do that, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below, and we will not go over this complex stuff. What we'll do is we'll just click on this and composer installation wizard will be downloaded, and we will install just by using this GUI. Once the download is complete, just click on open file or browse to wherever you have downloaded it and install it by double clicking on it, and just click on install for all users. If you're asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes, just click on yes, and now just click on next. So this is the PHP that Composer will use to install dependencies. If you have multiple PHP versions, just like this in my case, you can choose whichever PHP version you want, but I'll use the XAMPP one here. Now click on next and just click on next again. Now click on install and your Composer will be installed. Once the installation is complete, I'll show you how you can install dependencies using Composer. Okay, now the Composer dependency manager is installed. Now just click on next, click on finish. And now if you are on VS Code or if you are on any terminal, you just need to restart the terminal. So what I'll do is I'll just close VS Code and open VS Code again. And now all my dependencies are inside composer.json file, right? As you can see, the dependencies here. And now to install those, I'll just write composer install. And this time, as you can see, there is no error and the installation has started. So this is how you can install Composer and install dependencies using Composer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.